Hi students, I am back with a new video today and it's another revision video. We have done all of this before also. Let me see that do you remember the face and sound of these alphabets or not? So without any further ado, let's begin. So, what is the name of this alphabet, students? Yes, this is I. And do you remember the sound of I? Yes, it is E. What is this, students? You are correct. This is ink pot. E, ink pot. What is the name of this alphabet? You are correct. This is J and the sound of J is right, J. Oh my god, what is this? Yes, it is a joker. J, joker. Now who can tell me what is the name of this alphabet, students? Yes, you are correct. This is K. And the sound of K is right, it is K. Now what is the name of this fruit? Yes, this is kiwi. K, kiwi. Who can tell me what is this, students? Yes, you are right. This is L. And what is the sound of L? Right, the sound of L is L. And who can tell me what is this? We have done this before also. Yes, you are correct. This is log. L, log. What is the name of this alphabet, students? Right, this is M. And do you remember the sound of M? Correct, the sound of M is M. Oh my god, can you see this animal? What is the name of this animal, students? Yes, this is monkey. Monkey. So the sound of I is E, the sound of J is J, the sound of K is K, the sound of L is L, and the sound of M is M. Please practice at home. Stay safe. See you soon.